The building code states that the means of egress illumination level shall not be less than 1 foot candle at the floor level. The question arises whether this refers to a minimum of 1 foot candle or an average of 1 foot candle. The code statement itself does not explicitly use the terms minimum or average. This ambiguity is a common issue addressed in code interpretations. The phrase "the means of egress illumination level shall not be less than 1 foot candle at the floor level" means that every part of the floor area within the means of egress must have an illumination level of at least 1 foot candle. In other words, all floor areas along the egress path need to meet or exceed the 1 foot candle requirement. This interpretation is further supported by the established practice and historical application of the code. It has generally been understood and applied to mean that every area within the means of egress must comply with the minimum illumination requirement. Therefore, when assessing the illumination levels within the means of egress, it is essential to ensure that every point on the floor meets or exceeds the 1 foot candle threshold, rather than relying on an average illumination value across the entire area. Failure to do so may result in non-compliance with the building code. Ensuring that the egress path is illuminated to the appropriate levels as stipulated by local and national codes is not simply a matter of adhering to the rules but also a critical safety consideration for building occupants, especially in emergency situations. If the means of egress are not properly illuminated, occupants may have difficulty navigating the path, leading to confusion, delays, and increased risk of injury. Therefore, it is critical to comply with the codes to design and install egress lighting systems that provide the required illumination levels throughout the entire egress path.